Who the real property manager is. Usually, people get confused with the difference between a real property manager and a real property owner. Though they may be one person, still their tasks differ from one another. And most of the time, the people behind those titles are two different people. Maybe it is time to give a break for the property managers to be known and be recognized for the efforts they give to make your living wise and worthy. Property managers are hired by the person who really owns the property. They are bound to manage a residential or commercial property. Their duties are the following: find and screen renters, collect rents, arrange repairs for rental property maintenance, and handle evictions. They must be a licensed real estate professional to be determined by the state laws. A licensed real estate agent can be anyone but if he is designated as a property manager. He then works under the supervision of a broker. The collected rents are deposited directly to the trust account of the broker if it is not issued to the property owners. The hiring of manager is done by the property owner through signing a property management contract. The percentage of the monthly rents gross is the payment the manager gets. The deposits for security or cleaning are normally gathered by the hired company. Depending on the rental contract, late rental fees can be given to the real property owner or the management team. In some rental contracts, it is stated that if a property is sold during the period of a signed contract, it is still the liability of the property owner to give the manager the real estate fees. These management experts also have their own guidelines to be practiced. They have the so-called federal housing guidelines that serves as their standard in doing all real property transactions. Under the federal fair housing laws, discrimination on the basis of color, nationality, race, sex and religion is prohibited. Everyone who wishes to rent a property should be accorded with equal rights. The amount of allowable security deposits and eviction procedures are governed by the law of the state as well. The guidelines are not applicable for properties that are non-residential commercial. Property managers have two fields of specialization, one is for the commercial and another one for residential. In the commercial, manager specializes warehouse or retail space, while the latter one specializes in full-time rentals and on vacation or seasonal rentals.